So in the last class, we discussed the concept of financial market, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today we shall be discussing the functions of financial market, right? So what is the first point given in your book? If you can tell me. Please open your NCRT book. Samriddhi, Prerna, Sargam, Shobha, Anga, Ashish, Avantika. In this sequence, you would be answering. My question is that what is the first point written in your book?
Mobilization of savings and channelizing them into the most productive uses.
Correct. So, two things we have to understand here. One is how the savings is channelized and mobilized. Uh, you remember that when we were discussing, we discussed that household, this is the household, suppose screen is visible for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Yes, sir.
They have two options to deal with their income, right? One is that they would be spending the money. Another is they will save some amount. So when they save some amount, then how do they use it? Either they deposit it into bank, like FT or in saving bank account or recurring and all this. So they deposit into bank, number one, or they buy the shares of another companies. Means that they invest in capital market. So both the ways, either they deposit into bank or they invest in financial market. Both from both this way, the capital will reach to business or the industries. Making sense? So this is talking about mobilization. Take another example. Suppose these people, whosoever, whatever they are earning, and they after their spending, they keep their money with them. They do not invest it. They do not deposit into bank. Then how it will reach to business? How it will reach to industry? So the first function of the financial market is what? It helps in mobilizing the savings of the people, savings of the household, savings of the even business industry, right? And then channelize them into the most productive uses. Yesterday I explained this point that what is the meaning of being most productive uses. Example I gave that if you have to buy the share of a company, so which company share would you like to buy? The companies which is distributing dividend of rupees 10 or a company which is distributing dividend as 15? Please respond. 10 or 15?
Dividend 15.
50.
15.
50.
Yes. Because we want more profit, we want more return, isn't it? And which company can give you more return? The company which is able to earn more profit. Earning more profit means what? Utilizing the resources efficiently and effectively, isn't it? So if the operational efficiency is there, then only you will be able to earn more. So what happened? The scarce resources which are available in society in limited amount are being used effectively, efficiently. So the activities become most productive. Correct? Second point, it facilitating price discovery. See, we know that the price is determined by the demand and supply. You know? So there are these are the two forces in the market, demand and supply, which establish price of any commodity or any service in the market. So in the financial market also, the households are the suppliers of fund, isn't it? Households are the suppliers of the fund, and business firm represent the demand. So business firm and household, they both are representing the demand and supply. So who is representing demand? Who needs these funds? Come on, tell me.
Business
Business
firms.
Who
firms.
need
Yes,
these
Sanjay.
funds?
Business firms.
Business firm, because they have to produce, isn't it? And who are the supplier of these funds? Who is saving the money?
Households.
Who
Household.
is investing in the market?
Households.
Yes, very good. Very good, very good. So the interaction between them helps to establish the price. ना आप देखो किसी भी शेयर का प्राइस मार्केट में क्यों बढ़ जाता है घट जाता है जैसे ही उसकी डिमांड बढ़ती है प्राइसेस बढ़ जाते हैं सप्लाई बढ़ती है प्राइसेस घट जाते हैं है ना ये इकोनॉमिक्स का लॉ है and the same is applicable in financial market too. So financial market is the only market which facilitating in price discovery, that what should be the price of financial assets, these financial securities. Means the equity share, preference share, debentures, इन सब का प्राइस मार्केट में क्या होगा ये कैसे पता होता अगर फाइनेंशियल मार्केट नहीं होता. Then it provides liquidity to financial market. Here I would ask you first that please consider that there are no stock exchange. There are no uh, buying and selling taking place of financial security. Means the share, debentures, these are not purchased and sold in the market. There is no online facilities. There are no stock exchange. Then what will happen? Suppose I have purchased a share of a, Tata companies, and you have the share of Reliance company. We keep it with us whenever the these shares were issued first time. Then we purchased it, and we will keep it, and we will continuously taking the dividend every year, every 6 monthly, whenever the company is announcing. There is no chance of buying and selling of the shares. Suppose if I need to sell it, then I will have to find out such person who is ready to buy the share of Tata, and which is very difficult physically, isn't it? So it is the financial market which provides it to liquidity. Now, how easy it is? You just have to open the demat account and you can buy and sell it immediately. Within second it happens. Yes or no? I would be discussing later on about the procedure that how it take place. Then I would be talking about in detail. But right now you understand this much only that this is the financial market only which provides liquidity to these financial assets. Correct? I need yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the fourth point? It says that financial market is reducing the cost of transaction. Now, to understand this point, you just have to imagine, sit, close your eyes, imagine that there are no stock exchange, there are no demat account, there are no online facilities, right? And I have to purchase the share of Tata. And the person who is ready to sell the share of Tata is sitting in Mumbai. So either I'll go there or he comes here, isn't it? Because physically we will have to exchange the money and we'll have to buy it. So how difficult it is now. Huh? So the cost is too much, too much. It won't be possible to even buy and sell. But due to this financial market, it is very easy that we can purchase and sell it. We just have to pay very small amount of brokerage and we can buy and sell it easily. Isn't it? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after discussing these functions of the financial market, now let us talk about that these financial market, how we can classify it. So we can classify it on the basis of maturity of financial instrument, which are being traded there. So there are instruments with a maturity of less than 1 year. And there are some instruments which have longer maturity period. So the instrument which are traded for a shorter period of time, say less than 1 year, are called money market. Can you see it? This is money market. And the instrument which are traded in the market for a longer period of time, which has a longer maturity, are called capital market. Correct? So this way we can classify it. You can just draw it in your copy book wherever you wish to. So you write here financial market, money market, capital market, and then I would request you to add it here only. So one, two, three, make four, sorry, five, and write it. The instrument of the money market, which I'm saying. Then capital market. What are the instrument which are used in capital market? That also I would request you to add in this diagram. Ready? May I say so that you can note down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right here, okay, right here, treasury bill. I'm writing here in short, but you don't write it. You write full form of this. Treasury bill. Second, commercial paper. Third, call money. Fourth, certificate of deposit. Fifth, commercial bill. Now come to the capital market. Just here on it, please. Write it. Equity share, preference share, debentures, and please keep one column free, that is others. Right here, others. I would explain it later. Now, others will include public deposit, There are some financial institutions also, they provide you long-term financial help. So all these will come. And here in bracket you can write long-term securities. Huh? Please write here long-term securities and write here short-term securities. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I would like to see it that what you have done. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
just put on your camera on and whatever you have written in the copy, show me.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Calm.
Okay, you have made in the book itself.
Yes, sir.
You could have written it in your copy. Okay, no issue. Someone who has made it in copy, who? See, just I started seeing and suddenly 10 students left the meeting. Prerna Singh, please show me. Prerna, can you listen me? Okay, one more left the meeting. See, this way is not going to help you. And leaving the meeting does not mean that you won't get board examination. You will have to face the board examination. So please be very firm. This is not right thing to do. Okay. Uh, Pooja, can you show me?
So I have written in book itself.
No issue, you show me. Put on your camera on the book and show it. Hmm. Just a minute. Unable to see you, Pooja. Just you have to show it once again. And do not shake. Keep it firm. Then only it will be visible. Pooja, can you? Okay, I think some problem is there. She is unable. Okay. So then further capital market can be divided as it is shown in your book also. Capital market can be divided further in primary market and secondary market, right? So just in your book, please you write primary market plus secondary market is equal to capital market. Have you written primary market plus secondary market is equal to capital market? Say yes, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then write in the next line, money market plus capital market is equal to financial market. Done?
So please repeat.
Money market plus capital market is equal to financial market. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please write money market. So what are the things which we have to understand about the money market? Just write down. Money market is that market where transactions in short-term securities are made. Where transactions in short-term securities are made. It means it means those securities where the payment period is up to 1 year.
सर एक मिनट स्टार्टिंग का लाइन बता दीजिए मेरा छूट गया.
Okay, money market is that market where transactions in short-term securities are made. In short-term securities are made. It means those securities where the payment period is up to 1 year. Where the payment period is up to 1 year. As the maturity period is very short, as the maturity period is very short, so we call it near money. Near money means substitute for money, which is written here ना. इसको near money भी बोलते हैं. Okay. Now, based on this, sometime in the examination it has been asked that what are the features of the money market? It is not mentioned like this. Directly will come on the instrument. So I want you to give in headings so that when it is asked in the examination, then you can answer it. So just put the word nature or features of money market. This is not mentioned clearly in your book. I would prefer that please write it in book. Sorry, notebook. Or even if you want to write it in book, you can somewhere side you can write. First heading. Less risky. The risk is less in money market. As you can see it here, low risk. Second point, unsecured and short-term instruments. Unsecured and short-term instruments. Then this is very important point, highly liquid. This is the fourth point, I guess. Highly liquid.
Third point.
Sir,
Third point.
third one.
Okay, okay. The third is highly liquid.
Sir, highly liquid basically means no fixed geographical location or something.
No, my dear. You can easily convert this into money. Like if you want to sell a property, a building, this is not considered very liquid because it is difficult to sell. But suppose you have a currency in your hand, it is the no, it can be used anywhere. If you want to buy something, you can buy it easily. Now suppose you have FD in bank, fixed deposit. So in comparison to a building, this FD can be used. So FD is what? Highly liquid.
Okay, sir.
Correct? There
Yes,
are
sir.
some assets in the balance sheet. There are fixed assets and current assets. So current assets are more liquid in comparison to fixed assets. So the same way in financial assets also, there are some financial assets which are less liquid and more liquid. So money market, whatever the instruments are being traded in the money market are highly liquid, है ना? जैसे अभी हमें अगर डिवेंचर सेल करना हो तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, है ना? शेयर सेल करना हो तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है. बट अगर हमारे पास में एक बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज है तो उसको डिस्काउंट करना ज्यादा आसान है ना. समझ आ रही है मेरी बात? ज्यादा लिक्विड क्या होगा? एक शेयर के और बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज के कंपैरिजन, दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो
Bills
Bills
of
of
exchange.
exchange.
Bills of exchange.
हाँ, ये अलग बात है कि अब हमारे पास में फैसिलिटीज हो गई हैं, हमारे पास में डीमैट अकाउंट है, लेकिन उसमें कौन लोग होंगे जो इसको खरीदेंगे? बट बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज तो आप किसी बैंक से जाकर के डिस्काउंट करा सकते हैं और बैंक बहुत खुशी खुशी तैयार भी हो जाएगा. लेकिन किसी भी कंपनी का शेयर अगर आप बोलें किसी को भी खरीद लो तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है, उसका इच्छा भी होना चाहिए, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा
सर,
उसमें
बहुत रिप्यूटेड
हाँ
कंपनी रहेगी तब.
हाँ, वो तो फिर हम शेयर टू शेयर कंपेयर करेंगे ना. जैसे मान लो तुम्हें किसी को पेमेंट करना है ना? मुझे ही पेमेंट करना है तुमको, तो तुम मुझे शेयर दोगे तो हम शेयर लेंगे नहीं लेंगे ये मेरी इच्छा है. लेकिन अगर वही पैसे तुम्हारे पास में बैंक में जमा हो तो मनी इनटू बैंक मींस द कैश एट बैंक इज मोर लिक्विड ना इन कंपैरिजन टू मनी इन्वेस्टेड इन शेयर. गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
This is what being taught here. So it is highly liquid. One more thing I would ask you to write down. Short term you have written, low risk you have written, and then low transaction cost. Transaction cost भी money market में कम होता है. As well as speedy transaction. Transactions भी speedy होते हैं कैपिटल मार्केट के कंपैरिजन. Understood? Then no physical location. I will take your question. Wait. No physical location. You can take the screenshot of this so that you are aware of the pros and cons of the money market. Though this is not to be studied in detail, no need to study it in detail, but just for your information. Okay. Now we have finished with the time. So I would be requesting you that whatever the question you have, you can just text me on my WhatsApp, and in the next class I will be taking all your questions. Okay, and a quick question if you have, you can.